Hi. Well, it's that time of year again where I am making my Halloween cookies. This year I'm doing some dipped cookies. So I'm using Nutter Butters and I'm also doing Oreos. So we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But you're going to begin with obviously a package of Nutter Butters, but I'm also using white chocolate wafers. I'm going to melt those. And my other ingredient are various shapes of candy eyeballs. And so I start with melting my white chocolate. And you want to, you do this on sort of half power if you can. And if you can't, then you want to do it like 15 to 20 seconds and check it. It's very easy for this chocolate to burn. So that's why I say do it in 15-second increments for about 30 seconds, maybe 45. But you want to stir and it should be creamy like you see here. You're going to take your Nutter Butter and you're going to dip it into the melted chocolate. And if it's warm enough, it should literally be able to just kind of pull right out like this with some of the excess chocolate dripping off. And then you're going to just transfer those to a parchment lined cookie sheet. At that point, I pick what kind of eyeballs I want to add to the cookie, and that's it. And so you can see I've made several here, and by the way that I've placed the eyeballs, it kind of gives it a little personality, so they're very fun. I've created a little cookie graveyard here, and they take about 5 minutes to make, and you just let them dry for about 15 minutes, and you have your ghost cookies for Halloween. The next type of cookie, I'm using Oreos. So I have a package of Oreos as well as mini Reese's peanut butter cups, more of my candy eyeballs, and I have a little bit of peanut butter that I'm going to use on to kind of keep things in place. So we're going to separate the Oreos and use the part that does not have the white cream. We're going to take our Reese's peanut butter cups and set those aside. We're also breaking the Oreos in two, and we're going to place the Oreos, the two halves of the Oreos, onto the Reese's peanut butter cup using peanut butter as the glue. And then we're going to glue on an eyeball, both eyeballs actually, so that it will appear to be a bat. So this is very simple, and it's fun to do. The other kind of Oreo cookie, we can keep the Oreo whole, and we'll take the broken pieces and add them to the Oreo cookie like a bat. We'll also adhere the eyeballs using peanut butter, and we have a different type of cookie. So as you can see, there's all types of things you can do with cookies this Halloween that are pre-made and very quick and very cute.